Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. I just wanted to put out a question out to you. As you know, we've got the bot working, a new one. It trades on tick. I put on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/quantlabs this guy right here called Only BTC, ETH, LTC meet these crypto trading conditions. That might be meaningless to you, but I'm going to show you the impact it can have when you trade like I'm going to show you. Also, if you go over to my Instagram at Instagram quantlabs.net, I wanted to show the profit potential if I let this trade for 5 days uninterrupted with the full value of each coin that I wanted. So if I want to make a trade with Bitcoin, it's going to be 100% the Bitcoin value in US dollars or in Tether. Here's the video I made on that. So here, this video, let me just pull it up here. Cryptocurrency trading bot would have $47,000 since Monday with no market condition checks, mostly in Bitcoin. So now I'm going to break it down by which one gives you, which one's the one that's going to be the most valuable. I won't say the most profitable. Indirectly, I guess it would be most profitable. But here they are. I just put this Python script together. These are the results. So if you have, as I said, $48,000 now since I made this. So it's another couple $100 since I made that video out of 3,043 trades. 52% win or 53% win ratio. So now we're going to break it down by coin. Okay, so as I said, 2380 were traded. Okay, 1197 were wins, which brings us to a 50.29 win ratio. Okay, so half of them would be winners. Now again, I'm not putting any form of filters on these trades, but when you look at Ethereum, this is the shocker. Out of 630 trades, 406 were winners. So you have a much higher likelihood of profiting, again, unfiltered on your trading. You'd have a much higher profitability potential with Ethereum. Okay, so that's at 64.44%. That's unbelievable. Now when you factor in Litecoin, same conditions, no filtering, you only have a 24% chance of winning with Litecoin. So you're going to win 8 out of 33. Now again, I've expanded my list of available coins that can be traded. So I'm going to show you those. So these are ones that I think that should be trading based upon volume and liquidity, because you know the markets are looking pretty good right now. I won't say strong, but they're doing pretty good at the style of this. Of trading, but I've added in Ethereum Classic, XRP, Ripple. I've also tried out Binance Coin, XMR Monero, of course Litecoin, Link or Chainlink, Bitcoin, Ethereum, which I just showed, and then Bitcoin Cash. So each of these coins have an equal opportunity to get traded. The only difference that does not enable it to be traded is the actual tick data or the order book for those particular coins. Those conditions are not being met to enable trades. So out of all these trades, the ones that are being traded the most, of course, are Bitcoin, hands down. Now, just because you trade Bitcoin doesn't mean you're going to profit. And again, this is despite all the market conditions, despite market regime. You can see here, you're probably going to get a 50% chance of profiting. Meanwhile, if you trade this under the same circumstances, you have a 64% chance of profiting with Ethereum. So again, that can change obviously, but right now, being, what was it today, October 31st, 2020, that's the way it stands, and you have a less likelihood of Litecoin trading. And all these other coins are not being traded under the same conditions. They have the same opportunity as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a little bit of Litecoin as well. They're just not getting traded. So that says something itself, but when you get down to the nitty gritty, when you actually start trading, it's Ethereum that's going to be your winner. So this test, this report will give you a couple of confirmations. First, don't waste your resources because, of course, if you're going to trade, like just pounding the, let's say your exchange's servers for polling for data, like on Binance, which is probably the most generous out there of all the exchanges, you want to focus only on those coins that will give you a higher likelihood of profit. There's no point in putting out requests to coins that are not going to be traded based under these conditions that I'm talking about. So what I'm saying is you're better off just to put all your resources, all your trading rules, logic, and only analyze the ones that have a higher potential to win, being Ethereum and maybe Bitcoin somewhat. And this changes everything in terms of portfolio optimization, how much you're going to allocate capital to each coin, and on top of that, how much on your position sizing as well. So that's yet to be determined, but I do find this analysis very interesting. So we'll leave it at that. If you are interested in this sort of stuff, you want some free trading secrets, get it? Technology-wise, on stock trading specifically, go to quantlabs.net. Now, if you want to know more about how this is all done, I've got a variety. It doesn't matter your budget. You can get stuff as low as $25 with one of my physical USB keys I'll send out to you. Very limited right now, but get them while you can, as the saying goes. But this is the course right here under quantlabs.shop. You can always go to the Python course to learn how to do these sort of things, namely this type of analysis that will save you, in my case, probably a couple of years. I just wish I did it earlier. And this will show you how to build out custom trading bots. These keys are really good. The USB keys are for if you want to learn about Python at the same time to see the advantages of really stellar platforms like MotorWave. That's about it. I want to show. I'm sure I'm going to have other things to show today later on. And happy Halloween. Talk to you later.